After Cymru 2019, we are back.
The stars are on their way to the red carpet.
They are indeed, and we can hardly wait. Let's check out what we can expect this year.
We're up after Cymru. Obviously, you're nominated, Jodie. How does that feel?
It's really exciting, and the category's wonderful, and the whole evening's wonderful for us because there's so many people from work. You know, there's so many other departments that are nominated, and for us, as we feel like a real tight-knit family, and so we can't have a big night because we're working tomorrow, but we can have a little bit. We can let our head down a little bit.
And what do you think is so good about celebrating the talent and the work that goes on in Wales here at After Cymru?
Well, I think it's amazing to appreciate the fact that so much work is created in Wales out of the whole of sort of Britain and the UK.
You've been involved in films such as Star Wars, you know, the new trilogy itself. What's that like to be a part of that?
Oh, it's a dream come true for me because I'm a fan. It's something that we take that responsibility very, very seriously. And I have a 10-year-old son, so he's a huge fan too. So for my mum, it's kind of cool that she's involved in Star Wars.
So, nominated for Best Actress.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I'm absolutely thrilled. It's really lovely. It's a really lovely thing to have the people you work alongside saying, "Oh, you're all right, you are." That means a lot. It does mean a lot.
I just think it's really important to celebrate talent and Welsh talent. You know, I think it's really important to encourage people to want to learn how to do different things and further themselves. And I think it's really important. And there's such a rich wealth of talent that comes from Wales. I just think it's crucial that we do it. You know,
it'd be nice to just celebrate the arts in Wales. I mean, we've got so much talent in this country, and we're producing some of the best work in the world at the moment. So it's just nice to be there, to be part of celebrating that.
Have you ever held a lightsaber?
But of course.
Can you do the noise?
I don't know.